Siuye Odasani Shenuye Nya Ubejano Nona Ubecha Asitna Imunyama Bebre Minya Odasani Entiba Ubreye Nadabia Siuye Odasani Shenuye Nya Ubejano Nona Ubecha Asit's name when you're my baby, Minya Odasani Entiba Ubreye Nadabia Siuye Odasani Shenuye Nya Ubejano Nona Ubecha Nya Ubejano Nona Ubecha Nya Ubejano.
I have called you here for an important discussion. I have taken an important decision, but since it concerns all of us, I need your approval before implementing that decision. I have taken a loan of 12 million cedis from the office. To sponsor Erica to Europe.
It's great! Oh my God! Me to go to Europe? I can't believe this!
Do any of you have any objection?
No!
What about you, Grace?
Oh, no objection. I am simply overwhelmed with this great news. It's like a dream to me. Oh God, my daughter going to Agyei. Oh God, I thank you. And honey, I thank you too.
Okay. Then all is settled. I have already talked to a friend of mine to start the traveling arrangements. Erica, you will leave as soon as possible.
Apai, busia, and now Papa Kwati. I didn't know what to quit. Busia a true banana. Who come? She no one could put me at this was. Chaweni, a beshuachi. And yes, sir, you be fine now.
Thank you very much, Papa, for this kind gesture. I promise all of you, I won't disappoint you. Papa, I promise I won't break the trust you have in me.
Thank you.
I will never forget today for the rest of my life.
Thank you.
God bless you, Papa.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Kwajobonsu.
Awo?
Kwajobonsu ma Agyei.
Yes, sir. Awo, you are welcome.
Yes, sir.
Awo, I have been expecting you all morning. Huh? I received your message. Have you been getting the money I've been sending through the day?
Kwajobonsu. Hwe, enye sikani nti na me bae. Enye sikani nti na me bae. Kwajobonsu, me tititete nsem bi wo masum
So what the woba Elika? Ekwa brochiri. When you sika, na winim ni a yedi sika no yenti. Oba. Enyambia. Oyere.
Oh, Grace has gone out with the children. But why this noise? Eh? What is wrong in pushing my own child in life?
Elika waye woba. Woba dia wo hwe no ye yi a. Wo kunu na benya ne ho mfaso. Wo wale pe wonim busuani bia.
Awo, listen. Eh? I want all my children to be blessed with good marriage, so that they can have good positions in life to help their husbands.
Me say, when you sika, fire the papa.
Like what?
Akurasi fie no. Akurasi fie na enso to aye ko hwe ne aye. Efie yi nyina buagu. Eno na esese wo di usika ye.
Awo, listen to me. At the appropriate time, I will come and rebuild the whole house. But in the meantime, I have spent all I have on Erica. Eh? So please, bear with me.
Sana woka, me ni hwe ka. Na ni America nyina ne se. Kodwobo nsu, asem beba da bi.
How much are you buying?
Sen ka uti so na mi hu de meto.
Okay, take 290, the 50 ones.
90,000. Me so bra from kakrawai.
How much are you buying? You just tell me how much you are buying and I know how to. Sister, no.
So I'm kakrawai.
Hey, Sister Grace. Why? What is the money?
Sister, yeah. Come for the money this evening.
I don't have anything on me now.
I have stopped doing that. I don't do credit business this time. Hey, when I go to the village, I pay money for them. I don't buy them on credit. No.
Anything on me?
No. I don't do that. Somebody is ready to pay money for them.
Oh, please. Sister.
No. So this time I'll stop doing that. Hey, the other time we went to the same thing. Take this one. Make your money. Wait, mommy, can't take it, sister. Hey,
Me pentemsia. Me that's yo.
Auntie, me told me why, mommy, I finished since her father's no back. Mommy, when there's a father's no back, why, Miss Rowe?
Sister, I auntie me.
Sister Grace. Woni. Hey, now then I say me who watch o mato by the biem. Me kra me fra Jesu na ebe. Ade.
Sister, I had me wo.
Wo hwa so mo bi on.
Yeah, me dear.
Shop we. Hey, ade wo di loto ohun.
You know, God is not asleep. He visits each and everyone in his own time. You know, my daughter Erica, who is in Europe, she has started sending down some money.
Hey. Wait.
Oh, Fra, go see me, Newman.
Oh, the wonders shall never end. Na me ti by the usa. Oh, I'm a ferry.
And then she Fra.
Wo de me baba, yeah, me babes.
Awo, say.
Awurade adumu o.
Awe me do be do aduane ni.
Mate, me di ni na. Anya me o, me bo mo.
Ni mo say. Let me how.
Offer.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Ayo.
Good morning.
Morning.
Did you sleep well?
Oh, fine.
Ofa, your water is ready. So please take your bath whilst I prepare something nice for you.
Thank you very much. Abraham, where is Osea?
He's behind the house washing your clothes. I have to go and help him do the washing.
Do that. Oh, my chair.
Yeah, what about?
Now, what you say?
I rather ADOM, na dear.
Hey, I'm quite a woman who said, Mrs. Some. As the same year, be pa, my own, the down quam, my woman, they are coming.
Hey, was I and a year? The man here, woman, will cry as Gabwe be at Mary. 'Tis the woo ye be my woman. It is a.
Yo, that's it. Well, today I received another money from America. 5,000 pounds.
Wow.
She says I should use that to start my own business. Pleasantly, it will be difficult for me to leave my job. And you guys will be leaving for university very soon. I therefore want to put the money in your mother's care to expand her business. Do you have anything to say?
As usual, I think Papa is right. He raised in taking Erica to Europe. And now, we are all enjoying from that decision. I hope Mother is going to take very good care of the money.
Nekuyapa, if we can't trust our mother, whom can we trust? Thank you all for the honor done me, especially your father.
Thank you.
I promise to work harder to make everybody happy.
Thank
Honey,
you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Hey, how? Yeah. Now what you say?
Yeah, I rather ADOM.
Hey, now who's this in so eh?
Na dear kakra.
Did
you na mean to me, dear?
Oh, I do anything. Hey, maybe we to moja drew a brew. So, one woman, bet me to tip. With him, Lina,
Dementia, will be a man. Meet me, command me, could see me who say, however. Quadri, Pia, listen, or say our nanny. The Pia, dear Betch, ya confia. And talk qua. Webby, as I chill. You, the mad dear me could see.
I was say, good morning.
Good morning.
As I say,
Nyamia Domboko.
Good. Now, you must say,
Agyei, kakra.
now, Abraham is away.
Abra!
Adrabasem.
Brian of an Afro.
Oh. Ofa kwaba. Ofa hwe.
Me ho ye na mo so e.
Nyame ato.
What's that?
Ofa.
When I came, old lady told me that you've been fighting among yourselves. Now, what is the problem? What's the problem?
Ofa, all my problem is, I invested all the money I have on me in a tomato farm. Unfortunately, this year, the rains wouldn't come.
Yeah.
So it couldn't yield as we all expected. And still, she worries me with money.
Wofa. So if the tomato farm doesn't yield, doesn't mean we don't have to eat.
No, you have to.
Wofa, you baby crab boy.
What do you expect me to do? What do you
If
want
it's
me
not
to
like
get
go out and do something,
do you
do
want?
something else.
Please.
But see, I'm at the tomato farm.
So, Wafa, what exactly do you want me to do?
Is that the only thing you can do? Is that the only thing you can do?
Please,
You see? Wafa, you see?
Please. It's okay. It's okay. I think I know the problem now. Osei, this is 200,000 cedis. Hold on to it.
I'll take care of him.
Don't need money, Wafa. Don't need money.
All right. I know what to do when I get back to the city. Osei, I am looking for a job for you in the city. So you just keep your fingers crossed. And stop fighting.
Yo, Wafa.
Do you hear? Good.
Wafa, thank you.
Oh, Wofa, thank you very much.
Don't mention.
I'll get you some food very soon.
Okay. I want to see the old lady.
All right.
Hey. First, can I bring all the...
Oh, Chena.
Waiters, bring another set of drinks.
Daddy, what is the occasion?
Cynthia, you are drinking the soup without waiting for the food.
Do I smell some conspiracy?
I have a surprise for you tonight. But before that, let me congratulate my two lovely daughters who have qualified to enter the university. I'm so proud of you. As a father, this proves that what men can do, women can also do.
And even better.
I want to assure you girls that we will make sure we provide everything that you need. All we need from you is to learn hard.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. We will do our best.
And now to the surprise. Erica has sent another money for us to put up our own house.
Wow!
And once again, I'm going to entrust this building project into the hands of my lovely wife. You know, I will be very busy in the office. But any little time I will come and supervise the job.
At long last, we're also going to have our own house. This is unbelievable.
It's unbelievable. Let me also thank my precious husband for his good leadership in this family. We are all proud to have you as a husband and a father.
Waitress.
clean the bathroom? Is that how you clean your room? No wonder that room always smells like yourself.
Oh. It is you people you claim you are going to the university. You are going to the university and so what? You can't even clean your own bathroom. Mama, Papa.
My fairy.
Hey. Are you people sick or something? If you don't have anything doing, you shouldn't come and disturb me. Hypocrite. Look here, if you don't take care, we're going to beat you in such a way that you never forget. Bush girl. Oh dear girl. Oh dear girl, you are joking.
Pat, let her speak. Speak, and we will teach you a lesson. Speak.
Hey. What is going on here? If any of you wants to dare me, should you touch her? Better. Why don't you people don't want us to have some peace in this house? What do you mean? Me who was in chance to so. What to quiet for so be see from?
Kikabitre no.
For. Ah? Look who is speaking. Ah! Everybody me.
She, if you would see me and say be see una ase. Hey force. Wo sister fino tabro cho de me fibra ma mo sha ne wa hanom no. Mo se mo nyam ho ho. Wo nantina papa se waduro. Krasi ne araba. Hey, ye she force. Ma men kan na ten was enye force o. Aseni e wudin. Aso ne kwa na ye force. Enye ne hia ni o. Mo nsua de na mo kwa university ni bi. Ade sua ne de kasa.
De ana me pese obe kasa o. We need pagia ni na ye force na so woni krasi ni. Hwe bia ye aduane. Wa hwe bia ye aduane. Obat sa bia ye aduane. Ah, ade woni wo asem.
Mo hwe. Manantu sa ahwedie. Manantu amoa sa ahwedie. Shanentu. Mo shanentu. Mo hwe. Emma kasa na mo kasa bi.
Anantu na wa sene.
Mo ho fi manim tantan. Mo hwe. Ah! Everybody.
Try to fool me. Mo Next time I'm ready. What to miss Valley I'm draw. Some what to miss Valley I'm starting draw.
What you would do then up in you are? Acha, won't fear. Get inside. Oh,
you find to share good table so. We want to fina what to do we said them no. E rubber feet and time for university fee. E
we dey get papa be kebi.
Na we say motor way.
What's that Cynthia dey mama bo patro am.
Trust for it say we rubber feet and time for it say motor. E can who be that? Ma wo university for dey nke wo e. Trust for it. Mo pay number be to we ni mu ha.
Trust for it.
Mo na say asensene.
Ma se for nya ye nkrase.
Trust for me what time it say university.
Papa, it's not our fault. It's not our fault too. Nowadays, everything we do in this house, they find fault with it. Our new house is almost ready. It is left with the power to be connected. I think we can manage it for the time being.
Cynthia, sit down. Cynthia, sit down. From the prevailing circumstance, it will be better to move in and wait for the power to be connected.
Papa, I don't think we have to move and stay in the darkness because of these people.
If you move in there, it will help speed up getting power into the house. Get your things ready. We are moving by the weekend. We have more than enough rooms in this house. I want Osei and his wife to move in here with us. They have been very helpful to me in the past. If they come, they can start some menial jobs in the house.
My only problem about the whole issue is his wife. You know women and how they behave sometimes. I'm afraid before long she will start picking quarrels with our children. He can come alone.
Okay, you have a point. I'll talk to him and see if he can come along. After all, they can visit the wife anytime he wants. Okay? Osei!
Papa!
I'm ready.
Oh. Yes, we are also ready.
Okay.
Papa.
Oh, Osei, it is unfortunate. You can't go with Mansa now.
Oh.
Maybe in future, if you are able to hire a room for yourself, you can come for her.
Look, Abna, don't worry. I promise you, as soon as I'm able to hire a room for myself, I'll come for you, okay?
Oh, you can even come at the weekends. But, Osei, when we go, I expect you to be the obedient and respectful boy I've known. I think I've made myself clear.
Yes, Ofa. I will not disappoint you.
Thank you. Shall we go now?
Let's see me off.
Abraham, don't worry. Are you comfortable with it?
Oh, it's very nice.
Osei?
Papa.
Come. How was your first day in this house?
Very fine, sir.
All right, go. Grace, what do you think of him?
I am not comfortable at all with his presence here, especially with the girls around.
Oh, but Osei is married.
That is the more reason why I don't want him go about impregnating my girls.
My God, is that how you are thinking? Huh? He's a nice gentleman and he wouldn't do anything silly. Huh? Please, relax.
How can I relax? Honey, if you wouldn't mind, send him back to the village.
Hey, what has come over you? Huh? Please, please don't let us drag this issue. Huh? Osei will stay right here.
What is the problem?
Anita, Bonsu has gone for his nephew to my disagreement. He insists the boy is staying right here with us.
You see, with the little grace that the Lord has bestowed on him, he wants everybody to know.
I simply don't know what to do.
Simple. Just maltreat him. And no one will tell him to leave. He will live on his own.
Anita, you are right. I will do just that. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You know you can always count on me. Men.
Come in.
Good morning, madam. Good morning, Agyei.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
This is Mansa, Abna Mansa, my wife. She's here to visit me. She will leave for the village tomorrow. Mansa, this is Auntie Grace, of Abunsu's wife, and Nanekuya, her daughter.
How are you, Mansa? I think we've met before. When we came to Nana Kodue's funeral.
Yes, madam.
How is Edosewa?
She's doing well, madam, and she sends her greetings.
Please, is Wofa Abunsu in? We want to greet him.
Oh, he went out with Cynthia.
Oh, okay. Then we'll be at the boys' quarters.
Okay. Mansa, you are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome, Mansa.
Thank you, sister.
Osei, I didn't know your wife was such a beautiful lady.
Oh, thank you. She's beautiful, but you know, village.
Asamu.
Osei, what is wrong with your eyes?
I don't know. Something just got into my eye.
Oh, let me see if I can help you.
Hey, Cynthia! What do you think you are doing? You must be ashamed of yourself.
Mom, I'm just trying to help.
Shut up and go inside.
But I'm just
Go inside. Now. And now, you listen and listen carefully. If you look at my daughter twice, you go back to the village. Have I made myself clear?
Shut up! Come on, clear! Clear off! Bush boy.
Cynthia, what is wrong with you? What were you trying to do with that bush boy?
Mother, I was only trying to help him.
Shut up! Are you a nurse? Didn't you refuse to go to nursing school? You should be ashamed of yourself.
Ma, you are taking this matter too far. What is wrong with what she did? She was only trying to help.
Shut up! You fool! Let me see any of you in that compromising situation with that bush boy again. Can't you find a better man around than that bush boy?
Cynthia, what has come over Mama? Huh?
Hey, Osea! Hey, Osea! Where are you? Don't you know you have to respond when I call you?
Madam, I was trying to clean the bathroom.
Shut up! You don't talk when I'm talking to you. Bush boy. Now let me warn you. Yesterday was the last time you had an encounter with any of my girls. They are not your class. You must be content with your bush wife. She is your class. Even my daughters shouldn't allow you to polish their shoes. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, madam.
Honey. I want to talk to you.
Can't it wait? I'm tired. I must be in the office very early tomorrow morning. You know I have a lot of catch-ups to do.
It is very important.
Alright, what is it?
Don't you think it's about time you wrap up in the office and join me in my shop? I can't cope with the workload. I need a man to help.
It's a good idea, but I can't meet your deadline.
Why?
You know the nature of my work. I can go on voluntary retirement without letting my board know at least 8 months. Why don't you hire somebody to help until I join you?
It is not easy to find someone who is trustworthy.
Yes, you are right. But wait. That's it.
That is what?
The solution is here with us in this house. Osea has completed secondary school. You can shift him to the store to hold the pot for me until I join you.
Osea? Yes. Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't trust that boy one bit.
I trust him. He's a nice gentleman.
Okay. If that is what you want, let it be so. But I am still not comfortable with it.
Oh, good morning, Jose.
Good morning, Wafa.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Have you checked the engine oil?
Yes, everything is in order.
Good. Jose.
Wafa.
Ever since you came to live with us, I've been observing you seriously. You are a hard-working boy.
Thank you, Wafa.
My wife and I had therefore decided to shift you to the shop.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, thank God. Thank you, Wafa.
But Jose, before you start jubilating, let me warn you that you shouldn't disappoint me.
Oh, Wafa. I swear, I will never disappoint you.
You know, I just came to know you when you came to live with my mother.
Yes.
Yes. And I had always regarded you as my younger brother.
Thank you, Wafa.
So please don't break that trust.
Wafa, trust me. I will never disappoint you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Wafa. Thank you. Madam, thank you. Thank you.
You are welcome. You will start work tomorrow. pass by the shop for some money and buy yourself some new clothes.
Oh, thank you, madam.
Are you ready now?
Yes, Papa. I'm almost through.
Love you.
Love you too. Hosea.
Yes, madam.
Come here. I have observed, and I think you are a very hard-working guy.
Thank you, madam.
For your reward, take this.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, you can go and continue your work.
Thank
you. Darling,
yes.
I have a confession to make.
What is it?
It's about your boy. He is hardworking.
Oh.
I want to assign him as my personal assistant, but I need your approval.
You are at the shop with him. You have every right to assign him any new position you like.
Thank you. Then he assumes his new position tomorrow.
All right. Oh, this is my play. Oh,
Who pesa pa? Who pesa wabre? Shebibi yo. Shebibi. Osei.
Yes, madam.
We've worked together for some time now. You're becoming closer to me, even more than my husband. I want to make life comfortable for you. Take this.
What for, madam?
It's for you. Take it. $10 million cedis for me?
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you, madam.
It's a pleasure.
10 million? Am I dreaming?
You are not dreaming. This is a reality. Osei, I want you to do me a favor.
Just name it.
I want you to go out with me.
Damn it!
Bonsu, take it easy. Please come and sit down. I have something very important to tell you.
I won't sit. Whatever you want to tell me, tell me.
Okay, it's about your wife.
What about her?
I saw your wife in a very compromising situation with your shop assistant. In fact, it wasn't pleasant at all. I suspect she's having an affair with him.
Joe, you need to see a doctor. A psychiatrist won't be a bad idea. Eh? Whatever it is, shove it under your armpit and try it somewhere else. It can never work on me. Good day.
Hi, darling. Sorry we are late.
Oh. Okay.
We had to make arrangements for a container to be brought tomorrow. We have run out of goods.
Oh.
Thank you, Osei. You can rest now. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, madam. Good evening, Ofa.
Oh, good evening. I hope you had a nice day at work.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Osei, come back. Have you been hearing from Abna?
Yes, Ofa. Is that all you want to ask me?
Yes. But do you have anything to tell me?
No. Good night, Ofa.
Oh, good night. Grace, come and sit down. Here you are.
Thank you.
Osei! Osei! Come here. Now, why didn't you wash the car this morning?
Ofa, I got too tired yesterday.
Hey, Osei, this time you are finding excuses too much, oh. Right. Okay, I'll be away for a few days. Monday morning I'll be with you. Okay. Right. I'm going to the village. Do you have anything for your wife?
No, I sent her some money last week. She's okay.
All right, open the gate. I'll be back on Monday morning. You know, Cynthia and Electra are coming home. So get your rooms ready. Okay?
Darling, we have to be extra careful. The girls are coming home.
For how long are they going to be at home this time?
6 weeks.
Oh, okay.
Why have you locked the door?
Osei is around. I don't want to keep the door open.
My own nephew Osei?
Yes.
Oh, you shouldn't fear him.
Why are you back? Are you not going again?
Oh, I have left the things meant for Awo back. Okay. So I'll come to collect them. But why all these mess?
I had wanted to take the advantage of your absence and clean up the place.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I'll do that for you.
Right, thank you.
That was close.
Oh my God, that was close. I thought I was dead.
Hey! Mother! Ukune! What are you doing? God of mercy. You! What are you doing in my father's bedroom?
Oh, I came to, yes, clean his shoes.
Walk out. Walk out. Walk out. Walk out. How could you? How could you? How could you?
Please, Nanekia. I'm sorry for what I did. I don't know what you are about me. Will you forgive me?
No! No!
Please.
No!
Please give me this favor. If your father and Cynthia gets to know about this, This lovely family of ours will break down. So please, let this be a secret between the two of us.
Mother, promise me it will never happen again.
I promise.
Daddy, Mom, Daddy is here. Daddy, we missed you.
The same thing.
Oh, darling.
How was the village?
Everything was normal.
I have prepared your favorite dish.
Thank you very much. How are my guests doing?
We are fine, Daddy.
Now, what's wrong with her? All right, take the bag to the room. I'll go and find myself. Oh, that's my favorite dish.
Yes.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon.
Yes, Ofa. I brought the accounts book you requested for.
That's good. Give me a minute. I'll be with you soon.
Okay.
Grace, what is wrong with Nanekwia?
I don't know.
Cynthia, do you have any idea about what is eating up your sister?
Daddy, I've been trying in vain to know her problem.
Then how do I continue eating when my daughter is hungry? I must find out.
Get to and knock. So all I was waiting for.
6. Here I come.
Oh, so you're waiting for me? my 10.
3.
Count it.
Okay.
What are you doing with this mamba? Stay away from him. Stay away from him. He is a dangerous animal. Excuse me. You heard me. You heard me. Nanekia, since when did you start dictating to me on whom I can play with? Of late, your behavior towards Asaya baffles me. What has it done to you? What on earth has it done to you? Give him a break. You don't understand. You don't understand. You are right. I don't. Is there anything that the queen knows that I don't? We are all sick and tired of your strange behavior towards him. Or are you interested in him? You are mad. You are mad. Ahrowe. This mamba. The cheek of it. Nana, you are mad. Prove to you that I'm not mad. Nanekya, why did you do that? What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of what? Sit down. I have to talk to you. It's about Mama. Cynthia, you must listen to me. There is something going on that you must know. Alright, talk to me. Mother is having an affair. Yes.
Mother, is it true?
What are you talking about?
I told her. I couldn't keep it to myself.
Nana, you told your father too.
No. How could you? How could you? Do you know the implications of your actions? If we should get to father?
That is why I want us to keep this to ourselves. Sincerely, I have regretted my actions and I'm sorry for my deed. Consider all these years that we've been together. Don't let us throw it away because of my silly mistake. I promise it will never happen again. Please don't touch your mother, okay? Please. 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 Please.
It's okay. Dad.
Yes?
I did the thing for you.
Oh, this cloth is very...
You didn't come here with you're blessed. The youngest old man.
Yeah, the youngest man. You are right. How do you find it?
It's nice. You're looking great.
Thank you. I have somewhere to go this afternoon.
Okay. Dad, we have a request to make.
Just go. You know, I will never refuse any request from my beautiful girls.
We want to suggest you let Osaya go.
Why?
Daddy, it's nothing serious. We just thought he's now a man and must be granted his full independence.
So you are freedom fighters? Fighting to liberate yourself from oppression? No, so. Now, who told you he is not happy where he is?
Dad, his stay in the house is a threat to all of us.
How? Now, is he making love advances to you?
No, Daddy.
But why? No, excuse me. Hello. Yes, Mr. Bonzu here. All right, excuse me.
Excuse me. I'll be with you in a minute. Bonsu, you must come with me at once.
Calm down, please. Calm down. Where are you going?
No questions, please. You have to trust me. Come with me quickly.
All right. Nanakuya, open the gate.
Bonsu, quickly, quickly.
I let him take my sandal. Get into the car.
Who is it?
Room service.
Room service? A minute.
Say, say?
Ofa.
You killed me.
Hey, Ofa. Hey, Bonsu. Bonsu. Hey, Bonsu. Ofa. Bonsu. Ofa. Hey, Bonsu. 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 Somebody help. Bonsu. Bonsu. Ofa. Bonsu. Hey, Bonsu.
Nanekia, are you sure father is going to be alright? I don't know. The doctor said there is a little hope for him to recover. But he will need a total love and support from all of us. That is where the problem lies. Nanekia, that is where the problem lies. I don't trust mother now. And should we allow them to live under one roof? She's going to kill our father. And that is for sure. Yes, I agree with you. But what do we do? Listen, we have no alternative than to send her packing with her lover boy. There she comes. There she comes. Mother, we need to talk to you.
Not now. I am tired.
I said we need to talk to you and it must be now. Yes, she's right. We must talk now.
Whom do you think you are talking to? I am your mother.
Cut that out, mother, and sit down.
I had already made my decision known to you. I am not talking to any of you.
All right. Then you just listen to us, mother. Since you've decided to continue to be an adulteress, we want you and your lover boy to leave this house so that we can take off our father whom you have made mad.
Who do you think is the owner of this house?
This house belongs to Erica. She brought the money for the construction of this building.
That is what you think. But you are wrong. Now, get this straight. All the documents of this building bear my name. So, I am the owner of this house. If anybody at all should leave, it must be you and your father.
Are you mad? 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 Are you mad?
Girls, I've realized how very wicked your mother is. How could she have her own children arrested? I don't want you to go back to your house. You are going to stay with me till the doctor discharges your father. Then you can move with him to the village to take good care of him. Then all of us can decide on the next line of action to take.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jomin. Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure. Let's go.
Hey, Cynthia, didn't you see us?
I saw you, so what?
Please!
I didn't come here because of you. Good for nothing and useless woman.
Hey, who is a good for nothing woman? Huh? Who is a good for nothing woman?
How many women do we have here? If I'm not the one, then of course you are the one.
Cynthia, you can't talk to your mother in that manner.
But you people prepare to call before. Useless man. Woman, I'm ashamed to call you my mother. Darling, I want you to discipline this arrogant rat. Put sense into her empty head. Give him a lesson.
Now look here. If you don't want any trouble, then you better go in peace.
And if I don't?
Do you think you can...
My baby.